Seven, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Dana and I make videos about travel, lifestyle, advice, all that kind of stuff. So if you're interested, subscribe. I've never said that in my videos before, so that's the first time. So it's been a while since I've made a video. It's been about 3 or 4 weeks, and the last one would have been about my road trip. If you haven't seen that, go and watch it because it was seriously amazing. I have no makeup on today, let me just say. I just couldn't be bothered and I just got out of the shower, hence why my hair is wet. But today I wanted to do a little update video. A lot has happened, especially in the last 3 or 4 weeks. So I thought I'd catch you up because things are about to change. So as you can see, I'm in a completely different background. That is because I've moved house. That is seriously the biggest change of my life for a very long time. I moved out of my parents' house into my own house. I'm living alone, so I don't know whether that's going to mean I'm going to make more videos or less videos, because I'm going to be a lot busier than I usually am. But I'm not going to be so awkward filming a video when there's other people in the house because it's just me. So that's fun. I really want to do a house tour because I reckon that'll be really cool. I've set up everything. My house is grey and pink themed. I'm like baby pink. And I love it. It's only been 4 days, but so far it's been really great. It is quite quiet and sometimes can get lonely, but in the long run it'll be really good. And another thing that is extremely huge is I quit my job. Yeah, if you watched my last video, which would have been my last road trip vlog, I said on the way home that the road trip opened a lot of different things for me to think about. I set out on the mission on the road trip to find my way in life, and I realised that I needed to quit my job, and by the time I got home I realised I needed to move out of home. Like, I set myself a goal at the start of this trip to pretty much go on a soul searching adventure, and I'm getting emotional, freaked out. And I've definitely done that. Like, obviously I didn't get all the answers I wanted, but my main one is I need to quit my job. I really do. So the road trip was probably the best thing I've ever done because it's made me do the things that I knew that I exactly needed to do. So I've quit my job and I've moved out of home. In saying that, I have quit my job, but I have a new one. I'm not going to say where it is because I don't want to jeopardize anything at the start, but let me just say it is completely different to what I'm in now. I'm at Macca's, or McDonald's for you other people around the world. If you didn't know that, I've been there for 8.5 years, but it's definitely time to move on. And I have a new full-time job that I start next month. I'm nervous, I'm scared, but I'm excited to do something new. So hopefully I like it. If I don't, then it's gonna kind of suck. I'm also filming on a new camera. I haven't got this lighting situation worked out yet in my new house, so I'm hoping this is okay. I now film and take photos with the Olympus OMD E Mark M Mark II, I think it's called. Anyway, I'll leave it down below if you want to check it out. I also bought a drone, which is the best purchase of my life. I took it out in Newcastle a few weeks ago, which is where I live, if you didn't know. So I'll insert a little bit so you can see what it looked like. go to Hawaii next week. So expect some Hawaii vlogs. I'm going with my mum. I've never been to Hawaii before. I haven't been on a holiday with my mum for 3 years, and mum's never been overseas on a flight before, so I'm really excited. So yeah, I'm going to be making vlogs every day. I'm also making mum do an American candy eating video because my English one was a lot of fun, which I'll leave that down below as well if you want to check it out. That's about it. Yeah, so expect some house vlogs. I didn't do any moving vlogs because I don't know where my camera went in the move. I only found it when I unpacked all my boxes. But if you want to see moving vlogs, check out Jasmine's channel. I'll leave that down below on the screen, wherever, because she was with me the whole day and she vlogged, so I just left that up for her. But at least I'll have that to look back on as well. But expect that in 6 months because Jasmine is so far behind in her vlogs. Her New Zealand vlogs still aren't out, and we went like 7 months ago. Jesus. But yeah, I'm loving it so far, and the lighting just went really bright. Anyway, that is the end. And oh, one last thing I want to say is the only bad thing about moving out by yourself and starting a new job is there won't be as many travel videos anymore, which I'm really sad about, but I had to sacrifice that. So you have to grow up at some point, right? But there will be a lot more like advice videos on like living alone and that kind of stuff, I think, because I'd really like to see if other people out there have the same opinions as I do. Anyway, that is all. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you for my Hawaii vlogs. Bye!